Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is factorize 49a to the power 2 plus 70ab plus 25b to the power 2. So guys, let us see how we can factorize the given expression. Question has given us here this expression 49a to the power 2 plus 70ab plus 25b to the power 2. Question has given us this expression and question is asking us here to factorize this expression. Question is asking us simply to factorize this expression. Now let's see how we can factorize, and definitely we are going to factorize this expression using some identities. With the help of some identities we are going to factorize this. Now 49a square. Now 49a square I can write 49 means 7 7s are 49. So I can write 7 to the power 2 and keep this a square as it is. Then plus now 25b square. I will write 25b square is 5 to the power 2 and I will keep b square as it is. Now coming to this middle one, now coming to this middle term 70ab. So let us find out the factors of 70. Let me multiply or let me divide 70 with the least prime number, which is 2. So 2 35s are 70, and then I can multiply then I can divide this one again with 5, which is 5 7s are 35, then 7 1s are 7. So you could see that the factors of 70 or the multiples of 70 are 2 into 5 into 7. So the factors of 70 are 2 into 5 into 7. So let me put it here, all those things that we got, which is like 2, then which is like 2, then 5, then 7, then I will write down AB as it is. So what we got now, after summarizing or after breaking down 49a to the power 2 plus 70ab plus 25b square, here in this row we got 7 to the power 2 a to the power 2 plus 2 into 5 into 7ab plus 5 to the power 2 b to the power 2. Now let us see what we are going to do here in this step. Now 7 to the power 2 a to the power 2 I can write as 7a to the power 2. Now guys, you could see that here we got 7a. So what I am going to do, I am going to write the 7 from here and a I am going to, from here this I am going to get this a. So this is what I could write 7a. Now coming here, 5 to the power 2 b to the power 2 is nothing, 5b to the power 2. So I am going to again write 5b in that way. How? Getting 5 from here and pulling b from here. So I could write this one as 2 into 7a into 5b plus 5b to the power 2. Now guys, what we can do here is, now if you look here, 7a to the power 2 is nothing but 7a to the power 2 is nothing but, or let us represent it like this. Let 7a is equal to x and 5b is equal to y. Now if I consider 7a as x and 5b as y, so what we are going to get, I can write 7a as x to the power 2 plus 2 into x into y plus 5b as y to the power 2. So what we are getting? We are getting x to the power 2 plus 2xy plus y to the power 2, which is nothing but x plus y to the power 2. If we evaluate x plus y to the power 2, we will get x to the power 2 plus 2xy plus y to the power 2. Now we are going to do, that is what we are going to write here. Now we have 7a to the power 2 plus 2 into 7a into 5b plus 5b to the power 2, which is this one. And the answer of this one is x plus y to the power 2. Now x plus y, x is nothing but 7a plus y is nothing but 5b to the power 2. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Or this implies 7a plus 5b into 7a plus 5b. 7a plus 5b. This is our answer guys. This is how we can factorize the given expression. This is how we can factorize the given expression. After factorizing the given expression, our answer is this one, 7a plus 5b into 7a plus 5b into 7a plus 5b. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. You can do it within 2 or 3 minutes or maximum within 5 minutes. I took some time as I am explaining you. But guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.